This does not look very good.
The system is likely to come into the area Saturday night. The activity diminish leading into tomorrow.
Hi friends, it's Drayton. Welcome to my world. Today I am in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, the capital of the state of Louisiana. Wandering around downtown, and I'm going to stop for lunch at this place. Poor boy Lloyds. Let's see what it's like. Can't go in there. Good, how are you? I'm gonna go ahead and get the rabbit sausage. I've never seen that. Oh, right. Friends, I am a bread pudding connoisseur. This is what you're looking for. Whatever the goo is, and the bread is, raisins thrown in there, it is the best that I've ever had. Right across the street from the old state capitol building is the Art and Science Museum. Let's go and check it out. Friends, this is a really cool museum. They have an exhibit now of ancient Egypt, and there's a mummy here, which I can't film, but there's some other cool things that I will be able to film. And guess what? They have a planetarium. I'm gonna put links to all their social media in the bottom of this video, but let's go check it out. I don't have much time. Let's see what we can pack into an hour. Wow. A Triceratops skull. It's amazing. We have our major players in astronomical history here. Galileo. That is Galileo. Johannes Kepler and Sir Isaac Newton. Hey, look, friends, another way station, a Milky Way station. Let's see if I have gained or lost any weight. I'm wearing a jacket and some heavier clothes than I was before. Let's see. I don't think I'm at 155 pounds. I think the scale's a little bit off. That's okay. A panoramic image of the Milky Way. I've made it in the planetarium. She says the higher I sit, the better the view's going to be. I don't know if I'm going to be able to record much, but let's see.
Light,
dang it, no
light
cell
from these
phones.
devices will interfere with the show. Safety reasons, you will not be allowed back in, along with the rest of the museum.
What better place to learn about the stars and planets and how to locate objects in the sky than a planetarium?
You're so small compared to Jupiter and Saturn. It's the Zeiss Model 4 star projector, just in case you wanted to know. Friends, check it out. This was an old train station.
It sure was.
And underneath this bottom level, there's a tunnel system. It goes from across the street to
The length of this hall. It may go other places too. That's just what I knew of, what I was told
It's a
of.
secret tunnel. One other exhibit that the art museum has here is this Vivian Maier exhibit. She was a photographer, had thousands and thousands of photographs. And in this gallery, there's 69 of them. Let's take a look at some. This is her. It's Vivian. She liked the selfie shot. I guess this is one of the only ones with her smiling in it. I have a shot like this myself. Back in the days, you had to develop your own pictures, your own film. You created your own art. Much different than today, where you can push some buttons. There's still an art to it. There's still an art to it. It's just different. Hey, I'm good. How are you? Got a pretty cool area here for kids. Check it out. And there is a gift store with a very nice lady and a lot of cool stuff. The museum was a success. It's a very cool place, a lot of history there, a lot of cool things. Definitely recommend checking out the Art and Science Museum here. I'm loving Louisiana, and there's more to come in Dre's World and my other channel, World's Greatest Kiting. See you in the next video.